This very pretty girl is Peaches, and Peaches goes to school downstairs at Positive Dog. This is her first time in the pool here. She was very unsure when we first got her in the room, and a little unsure when we got her in the water. Come on! But now she's walking around. She's very interested in the toys. What's this? Oh, good job. When she first got in, she was afraid to walk, almost like she thought she was gonna fall off the edge of something. And now she's walking around. And we're gonna put her in the middle to see how she does with one swim, assisted swim. She's straight across with me. I know, get that toy. Get that toy. You have a good time? Oh, she's so cute. She's so well behaved. What? What is that? Come on. You ready? We're going to put these in. I know. It's hard to get. It's hard with that little nose. I know. You ready? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's try it. Ready? So we're going to take her, and she's a little nervous. No, she doesn't seem afraid. Still pretty relaxed. Good job. Still pretty trusting of me. Very forgiving. And it looks like she's interested, so we're going to give her the little push that she may need just to get in. We're going to let her swim right across. Good. Oh, hi! Good job! Look at you, you little machine! Good job. I know it's a lot of work. Oh, you are going to be tired. And that's great. She got out of the middle. She wasn't interested in beelining it for the outside. She's not trying to exit or escape. She's instead still trying to actively get those toys. So, oh, that's good. That's good. So she's having a good time. Good job. Good job. Oh, what's that? What is that? Come here. Oh, run. Good job. What do you think? You want to go back in? Want to try it out? What's that? How are we going to get it? Want me to help you? Ready? So we just show her she can pretty much slide to get in. She doesn't have to jump in. What's that? Come here. Peaches. Peaches. Hi. Oh, and she grabbed the toy. That is fantastic. You are a pro. Good job. Good job. What's that? What is that? You want it? Go on. You get it? Yeah, good job. Good job. Ready? One more time. Ooh. Go get that toy. Go get it. Go get it. You are a lover. Oh, you gonna shake it? Good job. Good girl, Peaches.